under Article 11, Section 2 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, the President can be impeached for culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, and betrayal of public trust. Ganda sana kung merong legal basis. Former President Rodney Duterte recently exposed an alarming issue with the 2025 GAA. He pointed out that the bicameral committee report contained blank appropriations, an act that is illegal, as he asserts. Sino ang nagsabing illegal? Rodrigo Duterte. Ganda sana kung merong basis sa jurisprudence. Kaso mo, ang nagsabing illegal ay si Rodrigo Duterte. Marami naman sinasabing illegal yan. Kahit mga hindi illegal, sinasabi niyang illegal. Basta Duterte. Nagsalita si Chis Escudero. Kaya nga nakakatawa dito yung sinulat, useless press con daw, useless press con. Kasi yung press con na yon ang sasagot sa lahat ng issues nila dyan.